How do factories make yogurt thick, smooth, and consistent every single batch? In the factory, fresh milk is unloaded into storage silos and checked for quality before processing begins.
Pour the milk into a pot. Whole milk makes a thicker yogurt, but any milk works. Milk is standardized to control fat and protein levels, so every yogurt batch has the same texture and taste.
Milk passes through filters to remove impurities and ensure a smooth, consistent base. The milk is heated in a controlled pasteurization step to eliminate unwanted microorganisms. After pasteurization, milk is cooled to a precise temperature that's ideal for yogurt cultures. Yogurt cultures are prepared and dosed in controlled amounts. This is what starts the fermentation. Starter cultures are added and mixed evenly, so the whole tank ferments at the same rate. The milk ferments in insulated tanks, while temperature is monitored to develop flavor and thickness. Technicians monitor the fermentation process and stop it when the yogurt reaches the target consistency. The yogurt is cooled quickly to slow fermentation and lock in the final texture. Depending on the product, the yogurt is stirred or homogenized for smoothness and uniform creaminess. For flavored yogurt, measured fruit, sugar, or flavor preparations are added in exact formulas. The yogurt is transferred through sterile piping and filled into cups under hygienic, automated conditions. Cups are sealed, date-stamped, and labeled, so every unit is trackable and shelf-ready. Finished yogurt is stored under cold temperatures, then shipped to stores and distributors on schedule. After production, the system is cleaned using CIP procedures to keep equipment sanitary for the next batch. Final quality checks confirm taste, texture, and safety. Then the product is released for sale. From milk to cultures to cooling, the process ensures consistent yogurt in every cup.